We actually switched from another provider to Aire One because we were so happy with Aire One's service. My name's Dave and I live in Guelph, Ontario. I think I've been an Aire One customer for just over 3 years when we got our heat pump and furnace installed during a very cold winter. We're really happy with our furnace and our heat pump. It's been 3 years and it's worked very well and kept us very warm in the winter. Overall, we're really happy with both of those products. We went our water heater with Aire One. We actually switched from another provider to Aire One because we were so happy with Aire One's service. And we also get Aire One to clean our vent. But again, we used to get a different provider and we switched to Aire One because of their competitive pricing, and we're really happy. Since they've been cleaned, our furnace is functioning even better. We spoke with the people who installed our furnace and heat pump, and I was really impressed with what they told us about it, and they walked through everything. All the technicians who have come in have always been really friendly, really respectful, and really knowledgeable. I ask a lot of questions. I'm not an expert in these sorts of things, and they've been very patient and friendly and helpful. And that's been my experience with Aire One, is that whether it's with the water heater, whether it's with the furnace and heat pump, whether it's for checkups, the company seems to take pride in their work and responds to calls really quickly. If there's a company we like, we're going to stick with it. I absolutely recommend Aire One to friends and family, to anyone out there, and for multiple services.